Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. Looking at the Nifty technical outlook, over the past week, the benchmark index Nifty has exhibited considerable volatility. However, post a retest of 21,825 zone, indices shifted gears and started its rebound journey, finally ending the week about 22,500 mark with a gain of over 2%. On the weekly scale, it has formed sizable bullish candle, and if we see all the other indicators and oscillators are indicating strength, and hence we expect the current positive momentum in the index to continue. Coming to the levels for Nifty, so the 20-day EMA zone, that is 22,300, 22,200, will serve as a crucial support for the index, as indices have sustained above it for the past 3 sessions amidst high volatility. As long as the index trades above its support zone, it is likely to continue its upward momentum towards 22,800, 22,850 zone. Which is the upper trend line of the rising channel. Any sustainable move beyond 22,850 could ignite a significant upside rally in the index up to the levels of 23,200. Now coming to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty relatively underperformed frontline indices in the last week, ended with gains of 1.64% near 48,200 levels. However, during the week, it has taken support near the lower trend line, demand line of the rising channel and witnessed a minor pullback. The index has managed to close above its 20-day as well as 50-day EMA levels. On the weekly scale also, if you see, it has formed a bullish candle with a minor lower shadow. The daily RSI and stochastic has given a bullish crossover, and hence they are in rising trajectory, which implies bullishness at the current juncture. So going ahead, the zone of 47,700, 47,750 will act as the crucial support for the index, as the 50-day EMA is placed in that region, and it also coincides with the lower trend line of the rising channel. While on the upside, the zone of 48,450, 48,500 will act as the immediate resistance for the index. Any sustainable move above the levels of 48,500 will lead to a sharp upside rally towards the mark of 48,900, followed by 49,300 in the short term. Coming to India VIX, so India VIX for the third consecutive week, the volatility index has witnessed a sharp upside rally. However, it marked a high of 21.87 and thereafter witnessed a minor cool off. Going ahead, the zone of 21.4, 21.5 will act as the immediate hurdle for the index. Any sustainable move above the levels of 21.5 will lead to a sharp upside rally up to the levels of 24 followed by 26. While on the downside, the zone of 18, 18.5 will act as the immediate support for India VIX. Coming to the broader indices, so despite high volatility in frontline indices, broader market indices have strongly outperformed the frontline indices. Most noteworthy, if we see, the Nifty Midcap 100 index has reached a fresh all-time high, while the Nifty Small Cap 100 is just a stone throw distance away from its historical peak. We believe this outperformance is likely to continue over the next few weeks. Therefore, investors and traders should focus on stock-specific opportunities in the market. However, it is crucial to adhere to risk management rules, as the market is expected to experience higher volatility in the coming weeks ahead of the general election outcome. Talking about levels, the Nifty Midcap Index is likely to continue its northward journey and test the levels of 52,400 followed by 53,000 levels, while on the downside, the zone of 51,300, 51,200 is likely to provide cushion in case of an immediate decline. For the small cap index, the zone of 17,100, 17,150 will act as a minor hurdle. Any sustainable move above the levels of 17,150 will lead to a horizontal trendline breakout on the daily scale. In that case, it is likely to test the levels of 17,400 followed by 17,600 in the short term. While on the downside, if we see the zone of 16,750, 16,700 will act as the crucial support for the small cap Nifty small cap index. Now coming towards the sectors to watch in trade today. So as per relative strength, so if you see on the daily scale, the Nifty CPSE and Nifty PSE index has given a horizontal trend breakout. Both indices have strongly outperformed the frontline indices. We believe these indices are likely to continue their northward journey, and in the next couple of trading sessions, the positive momentum is expected to continue. Apart from this, defense, auto, metal, and the reality space are looking positive, and they are likely to continue their positive momentum. On the flip side, we recommend to avoiding Nifty IT and Nifty Media for the next couple of trading sessions. Technically, both sectors are in a strong downtrend. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast, and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.